The 42nd surah of the Quran is known as Surah Ash-Shura, which translates to the Consultation. This surah is composed of 53 verses and emphasizes the importance of seeking consultation, unity, and guidance from Allah in all matters of life. The message of Surah Ash-Shura can be summarized as follows. First is importance of consultation. The surah begins by highlighting the significance of consultation, shura, in decision-making processes within a community or society. Muslims are encouraged to consult with one another and seek advice from those who possess knowledge and wisdom in various matters. This fosters cooperation, unity, and consensus building among believers. Second is recognition of divine unity. Throughout Surah Ash-Shura, Allah's oneness and sovereignty are affirmed, emphasizing that He alone possesses ultimate knowledge, wisdom, and authority. Muslims are reminded to submit to Allah's will and seek His guidance in all aspects of life, trusting in His infinite wisdom and mercy. Third is call to unity and brotherhood. The surah emphasizes the importance of unity and brotherhood among Muslims, regardless of their backgrounds or differences. Believers are urged to overcome divisions and disputes, and to strive for mutual understanding, compassion, and cooperation. Unity within the Muslim community strengthens their ability to face challenges and uphold the principles of Islam. Fourth is warning against disbelief and arrogance. Surah Ash-Shura warns against the dangers of disbelief, arrogance, and stubbornness in rejecting the guidance of Allah. Those who turn away from the truth and refuse to seek guidance are reminded of the consequences of their actions in the hereafter. The surah calls on believers to remain steadfast in their faith and to avoid arrogance and self-righteousness. Fifth is trust in Allah's promise. The surah concludes with reassurance and hope for believers, affirming that victory and success belong to those who put their trust in Allah and strive to follow His guidance. Despite facing trials and challenges, believers are encouraged to remain patient, steadfast, and hopeful, knowing that Allah's promise of mercy and reward is true and certain. Overall, Surah Ash-Shura serves as a reminder of the importance of consultation, unity, trust in Allah, and adherence to His guidance in navigating the complexities of life. It emphasizes the values of humility, compassion, and cooperation, while warning against disbelief, arrogance, and division. Thanks for watching and keep supporting to spread Quran and Islamic knowledge.